morning, children. Welcome to your art activity class. Dear children, in our today's art activity class, I am going to teach you how to make a card. This video is very special because in today's art activity class, I am going to teach you to make a beautiful card which you will present to your mother as a gift. In the next week, we are going to celebrate Mother's Day. So, I am going to teach you to how to make a beautiful card for your mother. For making a card, we will use different colors of fluorescent paper. You can see that these papers are called as fluorescent paper. You can use any color fluorescent paper, scissor and Fevicol. These three things are required to make a card. So, shall we start? Children, first of all, we will take a fluorescent paper. Like this, you can use any color of fluorescent paper. You can see that I have many kind of fluorescent paper. So, I am using this purple fluorescent paper. And then, you will fold it equally from the half, like this. After folding the fluorescent paper, you can see that our card looks like this. This is the base of our card and this is the front part of our card. After this, what we will do? We will take, for the next design, we will take any paper and we will fold it like this. We will fold it like this and we will draw a heart. You will also draw a heart like this. And with the help of scissor, you will cut it. You can see this, that I have cut a heart shaped in a rough paper first and then I am going to use fluorescent paper. Children, I am going to make a flower and its petal, the shape of the petal is heart shaped. So, there are 4 petals in the flower. So, I will fold the paper like this and keep this sample heart like this and draw the outline. Now you can see that I have drawn an outline of heart and now with the help of scissor I am going to cut this. You can see that here you can see that I am cutting this heart. You will also cut the heart in this way. See children, the heart, I have cut the heart and it looks like this. So you will cut this kind of heart, 4 pieces, okay? Here you can see that I have already cut 4 petals of the flower. So you will also cut in the same way. Now children, now I am going to paste each petals with the help of Fevicol. You can use any glue like this. I am going to paste all the petals. Children, you can see that I have applied Fevicol only in one side of the petal and the opposite side is like this. So now I am going to paste this. You will also paste the petals like this. We will form a flower. We will form a flower like this. You will also paste it. Now children, you can see that our flower is ready and it looks like this. When you will open each petal, you will see that our flower looks like this. Now I am going to use green fluorescent paper. I am going to use green fluorescent paper and with the help of a pencil or a color, I am going to draw the stem. And now with the help of this scissor, I am going to cut this. So you will also cut this. Children, you can see that I have already cut the stem of this flower, and now with the help of this Fevicol, I am going to paste this. So you will also paste it like this. Okay, children? The next thing that we will need is we need 2 leaves for this card. So I am going to fold this fluorescent paper like this, and I am going to draw leaf with the help of pencil. You can see that I have drawn a leaf, and now I am going to cut this leaf. You can see that I have cut 2 leaves like this, and now I am going to paste it. So children, you will apply glue in this portion of the leaf and paste it like this. You have to paste like this, and you will paste the another leaf like this, and our card is almost ready. Now the next step we will do is, again children, you will take one white fluorescent paper and you will draw a heart which is smaller in shape, which is smaller in shape. You have to cut a heart which is smaller in shape from this card. Okay, now with the help of this scissor, I am going to cut this. Children, you can see that I have cut 4 hearts of equal size, and this size is smaller than this one. So with the help of glue, I am going to paste this heart in this area of the card, in the inner area of the card. So you will also paste all these 4 hearts in the other petals of this flower. Now children, you can see that after pasting this small white heart inside the card, it looks like this. It looks very beautiful. Now the next thing that we will do is, we will take another color of fluorescent paper and draw a circle like this, and with the help of scissor, you will cut this circle. Now you can see that I have cut a round circle shape like this, and with the help of double-sided cello tape, I am going to paste this in the middle portion of this flower. Now you can see that the upper portion of this card looks like this. Our card is almost ready. Now the next thing that we all will do is, in this white portion, in this white heart, we are going to write our messages for our mother. That whatever you feel for your mother, you can write your message in this heart. Like, I feel that my mom is very caring. My mom is very sweet. So I am writing that my mom is sweet. Next one is, my mom is beautiful. So children, you can see that I have written my message for my mom. My mom is sweet, my mom is beautiful, my mom is the best mother in the world, my mom is very caring. Now, the final thing that we all are going to do is, now I am going to write Happy Mother's Day. You can use any other color also, Happy Mother's Day. And you can see that the card is ready. So this is the final look of our card. Isn't it look beautiful, children? Yes, it looks very beautiful. In the same way, children, you also have to make a beautiful card for your mother on this Mother's Day. You will give this card made by you. You will make a card and you will give this card to your mother. Okay, children? I hope that you will like this video. Thank you.